All right, so what's up, Quad Squad? Back at it with another one. And honestly, this isn't a video that I normally do, but with all the traveling that I'm doing and the planning that I'm making, I wanted to tell everybody the one thing to get cheap flights that I've been telling all my people that I learned from last time when I was looking at flights, and it's worked this time around, and I'm gonna show you how it works. But the best days to buy flights are Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Gets more expensive Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, drops a bit on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, best days to buy flights, you know? Yeah, because like everyone wants to plan their things on the weekends when they're off, and stuff like that. I understand the whole concept of it. Number one, go incognito browser and then watch the prices. I'll even show you my emails to show you the how they fluctuate. But like, Google Flights, you can put notifications on for. So like, let's search my dates, and always search for one person. And for example, like this one with WestJet, because I'm trying to fly with WestJet. WestJet was basically 440 and then 470 last Wednesday. It was fluctuating a little bit during the day. I didn't pull the trigger because I was like, it's gonna go back down on Tuesday, Wednesday, which hopefully it will tomorrow, which today is Monday. And Sabrina. So
Snowing. Yeah.
oh, I put in the wrong dates. All right, so let's go through this again. So basically, once you go to Google Flights, put in the right dates, go through the flights. Tuesday, Wednesdays are the best. I actually learned that from Sabrina over there, because she used to work in getting for like a vacation company. So yeah, so basically, here's the ticket I want to go. Here's the ticket I want to return. And right now it's sitting around for ultra basic 750 ish. But if you look at the chart, it's above typical right now. But if you look, so for example, it does this, goes down, it goes up, it goes down, it goes up. So this is where the price was on Wednesday, which was around 440, 475. And then over here, it was a little higher the previous week. It was a lot higher last weekend, etc. You love being on film, eh, Sabrina? Yeah, this is the wonderful Sabrina, everybody. You've seen plenty of her on vacation. Um, she loves the camera. I'm just kidding. She doesn't. But anyways, so these are the prices today. We're going to check out the prices tomorrow and see if I'm right this week. And if we are, I'll secure it. If it's not low enough on Tuesday, I'll wait till Wednesday, and we'll see how it goes. Anyways, hit you up tomorrow. All right, so what's up, Quad Squad? Another day, another outfit, another day to go look at the prices, see if we're gonna get a cheaper ticket. Anyway, so today is Tuesday. As you can see, different day. Let's go check out the prices. Let's go pull up that Google Flights window and see if Nikki's concept and knowledge works. Dang right, there we go. Alrighty. So I'm gonna show you two different dates so that you're not like, oh, it's only on those dates. So let's start with my original date that I showed you yesterday. So search it up because I've been tracking both because I wasn't sure if I wanted to go 2 weeks or 3 weeks. So I've been watching the prices on both of them. And with that, bam, bing, bang, boom. Look at that. Went lower. So same times that I was looking at yesterday, and it is certainly cheaper. The exact times I want, same flight, different day that I purchased it on, and it is gone down to 482. You know, all in all, like I said, Tuesday or Wednesday the best day. Tomorrow might be a better day for the pricing. Most likely will. I'll definitely do another video of that. But yeah, let me just show you another date. So basically, here is the 10th to the 24th. The 10th to the 24th actually went all the way up to like 750. I'll show you a screen recording if you want. Because that one tracked a lot higher over the weekend. Went up like 750 for flights. I was like, that's crazy. I'm not paying more for less time. Anyways, but yeah, now it's down to basically the same prices as the 3 weeks. See right there. Starting would be this one. See, the thing is, like, this might not work with every single destination. If it's a destination where a lot It's a very frequent airport, like Cancun. Most of all of the airlines go there twice a day. So, for example, when I went to Panama City, it didn't work out like this way because there's only one airline that does direct flights, so they dictate the prices. Then the prices only go higher and higher and higher. But with this, there's so much options. There's so many everything. So it's realistically that it fluctuates. And with things like these, Tuesdays and Wednesdays are the best days to buy. But I wouldn't say apply this logic to every single place and every single flight. I just say, if you're going to something like Cancun, absolutely apply this logic to it. If you're going to other really frequently visited like Cabo or whatever, I'd say yeah, probably. But yeah. So look at that. It's down to 500 now, and that one was at 750 over the weekend. So realistically, Tuesday, Wednesday works. Anyways, bam. Now you know. Now you know. First, I'm showing you how to travel with a disability as a quadriplegic on a budget and not having to pay extortionate prices for special curated packages because I want to travel multiple times a year. I don't want to travel once a year and pay out the yin yang. So you gotta save your money where you can save your money. Because I'm a little bit cheap. And you know that about me. Anyways, but not really. I'm cheap where it doesn't matter. Anyways, all right. So what's up? Back at it on another day with another outfit, bringing it to you with the end of the video plus one little extra tip for y'all. Of which, with that, I didn't really make one the following day. Like the last video was on Wednesday. I booked my tickets on Thursday, and there wasn't a huge fluctuation. It kind of stayed around the 500 mark, a little bit between a little under five to around five mark. Stayed that way Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I think it even stayed close to that up to Friday. Went up on the weekend. But after I secured my tickets on Thursday, I wasn't really monitoring it anymore, as you can imagine. But with that, let's go check the flights today before I finish up the video. All right, so hop over here to Google Flights, and you'll see we're up to about $500 today. And with that, you know, it's not actually 500. So this is another reason why I wanted to make the video and give you one last little tip, because of levels of tickets. Realistically, if you look at the bottom part where it's WestJet, number one, you really always want to book your flight through the airline's website if you can. If not, Expedia is your next best bet because realistically, they will offer you exactly what tier of ticket you're on. But when you go with companies like eDream or ILY or Booking or Trips or I haven't done Booking.com, but like LY or Kiwi, these ones will. I
Dreams.
mean,
I
I
almost
almost
bought.
bought tickets with eDreams recently, but the thing is, then they'll give you like priority flex, which is very comparably sounds like Econoflex or whatever, where you get full refunds and you get customer support and so all this stuff. And I'm like, it looks reasonably around the same price as if I stepped up to Econo. Um, but let me check this out. And I dug a little bit deeper. I talked to customer service, and they sell you ultra basic, which means you don't get a carry on. You don't get a carry on. You pay for your luggage. There's no refund fees. I mean, I guess they charge you, like the company eDreams charges you more so that they can make back that cost if you actually need to cancel your trip. Um, but you don't get any of the privileges of going to Econo. I mean, if you're cool with that and you're someone that just always buys ultra basic as could be basic, you got nothing to worry about. Find the cheapest tickets you can find. But if you're someone like me and you want to pay a little less for your carry on, you want protection with WestJet, you know and you don't want to be hit with hidden fees when you actually have to cancel and they say you get a full refund, but really they charge you 20% minus the booking fee that website charges. So you pay 1,200 for a ticket. Let's say that booking fee is 200, then you're getting 20% less of your 1,000. You're only getting 800 when you pay 1,200. So I'd rather just trust myself and just go with WestJet on their website. Anyways, that's my last little tip. The prices, as you can see, have gone back up. Closer you get to it. Anyways, you'll see the date in the bottom right corner of my screen. It is Tuesday. It's not every Tuesday and Wednesday, but you know, I know it was higher this weekend, I think. Um, but closer you get to it, the more expensive it's going to get every Tuesday or Wednesday. Tuesday and Wednesday are still going to be the better days, but prices are going to go up. If you want to see them go down even further, 21 days before your trip, that's when they're supposed to go down even more. Because they got to sell those seats, right? Anyways, with that, thank you for coming in. If you guys are going to be in Cancun, Mexico for March break or whatever, you guys want to link up. I'm in Playa del Carmen for 2 weeks. Then I'm in Cancun for 1 week. Hit me up. Let's party. Otherwise, I hope this information helped. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Peace. Quad Squad out.